Welcome back, everyone. Welcome everyone. So we're playing Chapter 1, and I don't know how to play this. What the? Wait. Okay, now that's handled. Why am I crouching? I just jump over it. Like, bro, I don't need to crouch over that. Just jump. No, I can't. Oh, look, a big hand. Like, what is it? That even supposed to be? Like, let's look around. Let's look around. So, security, what do you mean? Security, what do you mean? Oh, there's a dead toy. I guess I just really gotta go there, then. How? Like, some clue? Is there something? Like, we can't find anything here. Maybe, I don't know. Just hope the best. Maybe this one. We got this toy right here, and what is it for? A train? Yeah, a train, and pretty much nothing. Oh, maybe that's the clue. Flying toys, right? Right? No. It isn't. It isn't. I just wanna play here. Final. So wait. No, it can't be. It can't be, right? It can't be. Let's go back. Let's go back. It couldn't be. It couldn't be. Right? No. No. So the password is the train all along. What the? What kind of thing is this? Where should I start? From the back or from? Yeah, it should be from the front. Oh. Oh. Oh, I get it. Finally. It's been 2 minutes, and this is just the time I finally figured this out. Green, pink, yellow, red. Green, pink, and yellow and red. Oh. Green, pink, yellow, red. Green, pink, yellow, red. Finally. Go here. How? Oh, there we go. Green, red, yellow, pink. Wait, what? Green, pink, yellow, red. Oh, I did it backwards. So, I guess I gotta take the tape. And now what? Oh, grab back. Not. Why not? What did I just do? No, just here. No. Oh. Oh. So, I gotta use that. For what though? I can grab. Yes, I can. And what else? I can grab there or something like that. Oh, that's. Oh. Yes, that. And. Oh, no, I get it. I get. So, pick this up. And I guess this is the end for part 1 right now. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.